Hello, in this video, we will talk about testing the mean of a sample using t.test with R. So you have a sample from the population, and the question is, from this sample you know if the population could reasonably have a mean value for a particular value m, for example. So we can use t.test because we do not know. Usually we do not know the population variance. So in the process, use the sample variance, sample or standard error in a test. So we have to use t-test is the best choice. So this x is the sample data. Then this is the mu with the particular value for the population mean. So because in the t-test, we assume that the sampling distribution around the population mean. So the mean of the sample can also be seen as the mean of the population. Although this sample is the point estimate for the population mean. So if we from this test get a p-value less than 0.05, so we can strongly reject the null hypothesis that the population mean has from this particular value. And another requirement for using this test is that if we have a small sample, usually under 30 for x elements, then you need to know that the population is at least approximately normally distributed. Or we say the population is not very far away from the normal distribution. So if the population very far away from the normal and we have the small sample, then this test will not be accurate. Then we go to RStudio to show how to implement. Actually, it's very easy to do. We just create random sample 75 number from the normal distribution with mean 100 and standard deviation 15. Then we can use t-test of this vector, sample vector, and with the mu 95. So we say we want to test if from this sample we have is it correct that the null hypothesis of population has the mean value 95. Then you can see after test the p-value is very low, much lower than 0.05. So this is the test statistic from the sample, and you can see the confidence interval for the mean of the population does not cover 95. So in this case, we can over 99% of the confidence to say that the population mean is not 95, right? But just to note, if we make multiple tests, we say, for example, such a test 100 times, and of course, several of them will not reject, or say several of them may have the p-value larger than 0.05. So say, anyway, for each statistical test, like a t-test, we have the possibility to make an error. So this is type 1 error. So type 1 error means actually the population is 95, but we get a sample and get a result say that the population is not 95. So we make a wrong rejection. So for each such kind of test, we have such kind of type 1 error, just a note. Not 100% correct, right? Because if we make multiple, say 1,000 times of such tests, then maybe 5 of them will hold this 95 because the p-value is larger than 0.05. Thanks for watching.